In northern Poland, on the banks of the Nogat River, stands a fortress so massive it dominates the skyline. Malbork Castle, the largest brick castle in the world. The story begins in 1274, when the Teutonic Knights, a military order, started building it as their headquarters. Over the next century, Malbork grew into a sprawling complex, combining fortress, monastery, and palace, all built entirely of red brick, which was revolutionary for its scale at the time. At its height, the castle housed knights, clergy, and even administrative offices for the Teutonic state. Its defensive features were state-of-the-art. Moats, towers, and high walls made it nearly impregnable. Malbork Castle also became a symbol of political power. In 1457, after the 13 Years' War, the Polish crown took control, marking the start of a new era. Later, it served as a royal residence, a military barracks, and even a hospital during different periods of history. During World War II, Malbork was heavily damaged, losing much of its original interiors. After the war, Poland undertook extensive reconstruction, and today, the castle is nearly fully restored to its medieval glory. Covering 21 hectares, Malbork Castle is not only a UNESCO World Heritage Site, but also a massive museum, attracting over 700,000 visitors each year. Its brick walls, Gothic halls, and massive gates make it a perfect example of medieval military architecture and one of Europe's most iconic castles. From Teutonic stronghold to Polish treasure, Malbork Castle tells a story of knights, power, and resilience, all in red brick.